In this video we're going to find the amount per category that we spent. So I made a very similar table for the amount per person for amount per category. I took all the categories I had, listed them here, and then I just gave it a little title. And we're also going to use a very similar formula that we use in amount per person, which was sum if, right? So I'm going to do kind of that same thing. I'm going to click down here. I'm going to put equals sum if, start my parentheses. So the range would be all my categories, right? So I'm going to highlight my categories, hit a comma, and just like we did in the sum if, when we use sum if during our amount per person, I'm going to add in those dollar signs in front and behind the letters. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my formula. Next thing I need is the criteria. So for the first one, we want it to find all the ones in the miscellaneous category. So I'm going to click that. Okay, and then add another comma. This is the sum range. So what do we want it to add? We want it to add the total cost. So I'm going to highlight total cost section. Again, got to go in and put my dollar signs back in there. So I have dollar signs in front of and behind the letters. I'm going to close my parentheses. I'm going to press enter. Make sure that that is a believable number. So for the miscellaneous categories, I have 122.99, or it's going to end up being 123 because I'm going to go up here, change it to currency. Okay. And now I'm going to use the autofill handle. Remember, that's the little black crosshair. I'm going to drag that, and I should have the amount spent per category.